Hi, welcome back to Sudaama's Vedic Mathematics for Beginners. We're on Straight Division section, example number 4. Let's take a look. Right, what are we looking at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 3, 0, 1, 2, 1. Ooh, big numbers. Right, so already we're splitting the divisor into 30 as an operator and a flag of 121. The hoisting the flag up is 121. So we've got a 3-digit flag there, okay? That won't change throughout the calculation. We'll always have that as those flag digits will always be 1, 2, 1. Okay, so and our operator will always be dividing by 30 here. Right, so put down the dividend. We need to bifurcate 3 places from the right because we've got 3 digits in the flag. So 3 places from the right. So let's bifurcate. Split it up. Excuse me. The horizontal bar could be a little bit lower. Anyway. Step 2. So we need to do 123 divided by 30. That comes to 4, remainder 3. Let's take that 4, put that 4 under the 3. Okay. And prepend the 3 to the 4. Right? So our gross dividend for the next part of the calculation will be 34. And this is when we'll start to use the flag digits. So 34, take away, and in parentheses now, we should have 1, 2, 1 as the flag digits at the top. 1, 2, 1. Multiplied by the latest 3 quotient digits. Now there's nothing before the 4, literally nothing, so let's put some zeros in there. So let's put the 4 and the zeros next to it. Okay, so it's the latest 3 quotient digits. Okay, and we're going to cross multiply all of those. The 1 with the 4, 2 with the 0, and the 1 with the 0. So it's 34 minus 1 4 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0. So it's 1. It's 4 plus 0 plus 0. 34 minus 4 comes to 30. And that's our net dividend that we need to divide by, coincidentally, operator of 30. So we're just going to divide that 30 there by the operator of 30. Right, and that comes to 1, nothing left over. 1 remainder 0. Okay. Right, let's put the 1 under the 4 of the dividend and carry over the remainder of 0 and prepend that to the 5. So our next gross dividend is 0.5. Now I think he just wants to work out a complete remainder now. Yeah. And then in part 2 we'll work out the decimal. Yeah, so we're just going to keep this video short. Right, the remainder is basically 0.567 minus, and then in parentheses we have the flag digits multiplied by the last 3 quotient digits, which should be 1, 4 and 0. Okay, 0, 4, 1, yeah. Cross multiply those. So we've got 567. Oops. This is a bit trickier than this bit actually. That first bit that we did, 1, 2, 1, 0, 4, 1, that's going to get the first digit of the subtraction there. Okay. This bit's a little bit tricky to explain in 2 seconds. But you can see that this 567 is taken away. We've got a digit of 9, and then we've got a division and the second digit, which is 6, and then the last division is 1. So it's 5, 6, 7, take away 9, 6, 1, leaving us with a remainder of minus 3, 9, 4. This last bit to get the remainder is a bit tricky. Right, so almost finished calculation. 41 remainder minus 394 is the same as 40 remainder. You want 30,121 take away 394. That comes to 40 remainder 29,727. A little bit tricky, this one, only because the remainder is it's very tricky getting those. The remainder actually is tough. So hopefully we'll do one more example showing how to get a complex remainder like that when you've got like 3 or more flag digits. We'll do that in subsequent examples. But for the time being, we'll just we'll turn this into a decimal number. Okay, we'll turn this into a decimal number in part 2. Okay, hope to see you then.